there's water with red food coloring and water with yellow food coloring. She's gonna pour that into vegetable oil, and then she's gonna pour this one into vegetable oil too. Okay, so water and vegetable oil can't mix. So we're gonna put some Alka-Seltzer in the cups, and that's gonna mix with the water to make carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide makes bubbles that go to the top of the cups, then pop. Then it goes back down all to where it's just vegetable oil, and then they make new bubbles, go up, and then they sit,